Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll do a little work on my 12 gauge. I've already emptied it. Empty. What we're going to do is we're going to add a optic mount that also happens to have 6 shell holders. And we have to do this by pushing out a pin here and removing a screw from inside the chamber here that'll pull that pin out. And then we will install this. The pin back here will replace the pin that was here, and a pin that goes right there will replace the pin with the screw that goes there. So, with that being said, I just realized I need to grab a flathead screwdriver. Let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is push this pin out. Hold on to that. I got this on Amazon. This is a Mossberg Maverick 88. This is for a Mossberg 500 or 590, but it will fit this shotgun. At least that's what I've been told from multiple people. Not that big a deal, not that difficult to do. Pull out that tiny little itty bitty screw. So we're just going to slide this on over top of here. Hey, we won't need that pin. We're going to put this pin in its place. So while we're sitting here screwing, make sure you leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you think this is going to work. Also, just recently started a Facebook page for the channel, and I reactivated the Instagram that I had pretty much left for dead. So make sure you go and check them out. The YouTube, it's just Scott Garland Presents. Oh yeah, we're clear. We got a little clearance there. Not much, but it's clear. Scott Garland Presents. On Facebook and Instagram. Now let's look at the instructions. I think we're going to have to trim that. We're going to have to trim that right there. That's okay. I'm going to take care of that. Don't you worry your pretty little heads. I'll be right back. Sometimes you got to modify things a little bit to make them fit when they're not meant for your gun. But it's going to work. It's going to work. Hide and watch. So I had to do a little more surgery than I anticipated. I had to remove one of the shell holders right here and do a little cleanup work on it. But it's pretty good. It's made of aluminum. It's not going to rust. I'm not worried about rust. But it'll clear now. So let's assemble. Okay, dokie. Artichoke. Ooh, I'm tired. Worked all night last night. Stayed up, made sure the kid got on the bus to go to school. Now I'm filming this. The good news is I'm off for the next 4 days. And in 15 days, I'll go back to day shift. That'll make this whole YouTube thing much easier. As well as being a father and a husband. I love the channel, but I love my son and my wife even more. So, getting to sleep in bed next to my wife every night, yeah, she's looking forward to that almost as much as I am. That should be good. I should be able to get that screw in there without any interference. Yep, sure can. Now off camera, I'm going to load a couple of shells and then eject them, make sure everything functions properly there. Can't do that on camera. YouTube doesn't like it, so I'll be right back. Oh boy, turning into a pretty nice little truck gun. Was a home defense gun. It's about to become a truck gun. Because I'm going to put on this cheap little optic from TrueGlow that I've been using for over 10 years on an AR-15. Well, I have upgraded my AR-15. I have a much higher quality AR-15. I still have the one this was on, but it's kind of a backup. So I'm going to move the red dot over to this gun. And it's going to become my new truck gun. Because I found a way to secure it in my Gladiator. Look at that. Yep, I'll take it. Just got to go sight it in. Make sure it's good. And then do the truck mount. Truck mount is going to be a whole nother video. I'm going to do that here in a few days. That'll probably be the one after this. So I'm going to go put all this away and go to bed. It's been a long, long night. So until next time, y'all make sure you keep the shine set up. Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below what you think of this thing. And tell me how bad a decision it is to use this old TrueGlow optic. I'm sure people are going to say it's a piece of crap, but it's not failed me once. And I have put probably 1,000 rounds through that rifle with this optic on it. So, anyway, y'all have a good day. See ya.